Let's take a quick look at the second step in the three-step process of getting monitoring up and running for your network. You'll notice that we're at the home page. To navigate to monitoring, we'll utilize the top toolbar and we'll simply click monitoring. But before we get there, let's take a look at monitoring in this section below the service summary line. You'll notice in this example, ping and interface monitoring are both enabled. When the CP is shipped to you, the GlobalNOC has not sent the device out with any monitoring policies set up. That's something that you and your IT staff will need to do once you receive and install the device. And that can easily be done through the monitoring tab. So we're going to select our network. You'll notice here at the top we have the monitoring with a little circle and eye. You can click on that and it'll take you to the appropriate section in the database. So if you have a question or want to dig a little bit deeper into a certain subject, that's a great way to navigate through there. So you'll notice up here at the top, you can add a rule through this button. You can pause alerts. For example, if you have some maintenance that's going to be done on the network, and you don't want the GlobalNOC to call and waste one of your 10 calls because you've taken something down and you know it, you can pause alerts. And then when you're done with that maintenance, simply go back and then push the button to start your alerts again. So pause and then resume. So again, if you're monitoring multiple networks, you can simply navigate through those networks through this drop down right here. You'll notice that we have some monitoring rules set up, some monitoring policies set up. For example, the scope here, it's tied to all router switches, wireless controllers. So anything that goes down or that is assigned to ping, all of those alerts are going to go to the dashboard. Same here with interface link status, it ties to all devices. So anything alerts, it's going to go to the dashboard. But when you get down here in this third one, interface link status, it's calling out a specific router. So if this router falls out of your policy, then we're going to make a call to that primary and secondary, or first contact and second contact. You can adjust or change any of these monitoring rules simply by clicking the three buttons and editing that rule. You can also reorder them by the reorder button. And if you simply want to add a rule, you'll click add rule. You'll select your service. So interface link status, for example, and then you're going to select alert dashboard if it's not a critical device. If it is a critical device and you want to be woken up in the middle of the night to be made aware that it's fallen out of the policy that you've assigned, you'll select call member. And then here we have router, switches, wireless controllers. So you would select your node role. And then down here, let's see, router. And then you can select specific nodes if you just want to call out one or two of them. And then just add rule.